Jack, and today we're gonna make a birdhouse.
Yeah?
It's very important because I like to take pictures, but today we're gonna make a birdhouse.
Very
My
good.
dad's gonna help me.
All right. Hello, everyone out there. Jack's birthday is in a couple days, right?
Like in 2 days.
And,
My celebration.
yep. So we've decided he's been having some fun looking at birds. We decided we're gonna take some time and build a birdhouse. So we've got our stuff set up here where we're gonna plan it out. My little makeshift shop slash weight room slash garage. You can see here I've got some of my plans that I had to go through. Being a math teacher, I had to figure out the exact angles to pitch the roof at, but that's the fun stuff for me. So we've got our cut. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, what's it, say 8 by or a 6 by 8, about 6 inches by 8, and cut it into pieces so we can start building. Now mark it on the board, right here, right where my finger is. Very nice, Jack. Okay, so we marked one at 5.5 inches, and now we're going to take the square, so our speed square over here, and we're going to use that to make a line all the way across. All right. Good job. Very nice, Jack. All right, so that's going to be our first piece. We want to make sure we're all lined up, right? Make sure it's all lined up. Look at it. Okay, is it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now go ahead, make your line. Right to the other line. Very good. All right. Nice job. So now we have our second little piece. Okay.
So, what should we do next?
Now let's cut this piece out. Okay.
Okay.
That sound like a good plan?
Yep. Sounds like a great plan.
All right. You're gonna bring it over to the saw for me. And do you want me to do it? Oh. All right. Leave it right there. Right there. Okay. Just lean it up against. Very nice.
Oh, that hurt. I had a scratch, a big one. See how big that is, Dad? Look at it.
Yeah, what happened? You fall off your bike?
No, I just
Are
scraped.
you ready?
Yep.
All right. You video it?
Mhm.
All right. So let's cut this second piece.
The video back when because it is a good video. Let's say. So now my dad's gonna cut another piece.
Well, we have to measure a piece before we cut it, because we want to make sure that we cut it the right size, right? We got the list right here that has all the pieces that we're going to cut. Okay, so now we need 5.5 and 7 1/4.
That's what it looks like. So hey Dad, can we show them how right here looks? So that's how the numbers go, so he can find out how big they are. And this is how he's gonna make the birdhouse.
Exactly.
So we're gonna pause it right here, and we're gonna come back.
Jack is now going to mark off 5.5 inches. Okay, so use this side here and find between 5 and 6. That's 5. Yes, perfect. And mark that there. Now we flip it and make sure that's flush, and then go all the way across, buddy. Nope, this way. Go follow the line. That's all right. Good job. Okay, good. Do one more time. Make it a little darker. Nice. Okay, that's enough. Good job. Hey, I like your shirt.
Thanks.
What is it?
It's Pokemon.
It is Pokemon. You don't like Pokemon, do you?
No, I love it.
What are you doing right now, Jack?
I'm building the birdhouse that we're making.
Yeah.
So let's see how it will look. This is perfect.
Oh yeah, we're getting there, huh?
Yeah, we just
You
need
think-
to talk.
You think that? What about the bottom? You think the birds will be able to each seed without a bottom. We have to build a bottom too, right?
Yeah. Oh, maybe we can get some seed for the birds.
We'll get some seed for the birds.
Wait,
All right?
wait, we have some?
We'll get some. All right?
Oh, we're back to the video. So my dad just cutted another piece. I wish you could hear it. It was very loud. But why? After this, push the subscribe button down below. If you don't like it, just hit the bell. Ready? Let's put the roof on. There we go. So what does this do?
So not like that. The roof goes like this. All right? So it hangs over a little bit, okay? So then that one goes right up against it, just like that, okay? So,
I'm not putting it.
and then this is the bottom piece. Okay, that piece will be the bottom piece. All right. So we'll.
But why can't we make a big bottom piece?
Yeah, we don't need a big bottom piece. Hey Ryan, please stop that, okay?
It's raw.
You want to say something, Ryan?
What?
You want to say something? Who are you?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
All right. See you later, bud. What?
Okay. We finished we just about finished the birdhouse, but we gotta build it.
Yep. So we did our last cut. We had to use a jigsaw for the last cut, right, Jack? This is a jigsaw, right? Now the last cut, because it was not great to use for the miter saw, it came out a little jagged. So now we're going to use the sander, right, Jack? And we're going to sand it. You want to go ahead, give it a try?
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is I want you to sand. You want to put it on? Okay. Careful. Hold. Put it. So hold it. Okay, go ahead. Put it on. All right. Good job, buddy. Okay. Okay. Go turn it off.
Is it that today? Okay, today, right now we're making a bigger hole. We just need a little bit more, then we're done. Then we're putting it together.
Yep. So we didn't have a drill bit bigger than an inch. So we needed to find a way to make the hole a little bit bigger. An inch wasn't going to work. So we took the router out and we don't touch
And
this.
let's put it.
Yep. And we've been using the router kind of slowly to make the hole a little bit bigger. All right.
Uh-huh.
All right. You want to film? All right, Ryan, watch out. You need to move, buddy. Thank you.
I'll try not to drop it.
Yes, please don't. All right, so we'll turn around. Ryan, I need you to move further, please.
Is it all done? Okay. We did a lot of things so far, but we glued it too. So we just have to glue the parts that
So what part do we glue already?
we glued the sides.
We glued the sides. So what are we doing now? Why do we have it over here? What do I need to do?
You need to drill some screwdrivers in there.
Yeah, I need to drill some holes so I can put the screws. A little more, just a little bit. Get the. That's good. Good job. Enough. Bring it over here. Now do it across on this side. Good. And all the way across. Good, that'll do. Nice job.
Put some screws on, but the glue couldn't really take it. So
Well, the glue did fine, but the screws help it, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So we will finish it in a little bit. So, we'll see you later. Finished our birdhouse. But first, we have to, now we're going to put it on one of those over there. Dad, can you show them?
Please know that we are restocking quickly.
Closer.
Things arrive.
So we're going to put it right here.
Right up there?
Yep.
Alright. What do we need to do still with it?
What?
What do we need to do still?
How can we do it? Maybe we need...
What do we need to still do? What do you think we need to put? What do you think we need to do to finish this off? We got the glue on, but what else maybe we need to do for the top?
I don't know. What? Screws.
Yeah, we're gonna put some screws in it, then we'll be done.
Yep.
Alright.
So we need 4, right?
We need say 6, okay?
Okay. I have my pajamas, but we just need to screw the other. We just need to screw this side. So we just need 4 more screws. Okay, we finished our birdhouse. So we're gonna show this to my dad's students. So I hope you like that. Bye.
Very good.